I'm Caroline Elliott, international keynote speaker and author. I come from the mountain rescue profession in France, where grit and resilience are non-negotiable. Working in controlled bombing, ski patrol rescue, and as a search and rescue dog handler in avalanche rescue meant equally overcoming gender and cultural barriers. I'm the first British woman to have followed this path, and a sense of humour was most definitely a compulsory part of my rescue kit. Graduating from ENSA, the iconic alpine school in Chamonix, in 2012, where a multitude of skills were learnt and tested, the key thereafter was to find my own strategies that worked effectively within any team I found myself assigned to. Working in precarious, high-pressure environments has helped me hone the specialist know-how that I will bring into your organisational context. We'll work together, as we do in the exciting world of avalanche rescue, finely tuning communication to enable clarity, cohesion, and optimising psychological safety, not forgetting a sense of humour. Your audience will leave inspired and empowered with an avalanche-ready mindset, the courage to act decisively in high-pressure situations, the clarity to communicate when it matters most, and the tenacity to transform obstacles into breakthroughs, in and outside the work environment. I look forward to working with you.